Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a skincare routine for you. These products are all affordable. You can find them either at Ulta or your nearest drugstore. So if you want to see how I achieved clear skin, then please keep on watching. First, I always start off by washing my hands. There's so many dirts that you collect with just touching everything with your hands, and you just don't want to go and put that on your face. So first off, I'm going to go and rinse my face and get ready to go in with our first product, which is going to be the Cetaphil. I love this. I've been using this forever, for a couple of years now. I get mine at Walmart. It's really inexpensive. I think it ranges from between $9 to $10, and it comes in an 8-ounce bottle. This removes any extra dirt or oil that you have on your face built up. So you just go ahead and put that all over your face, rinse it off, and for me, I like to go and repeat this step again just to get all the extra dirt, all that extra makeup that you might have on there, all those impurities, wash them away. And go ahead and rinse my face because we're done with the Cetaphil. And like I said, this is a really good cleanser, guys. I picked mine up. Ooh, hey there. I picked mine up from Walmart for about $7. Next, I'm going to go in with a towel and I'm going to get it really hot. As you can see here, I did burn my fingers, but I'm steaming my face and it just allows me to open up my pores and getting me ready for my next product that I'm going to be using. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Noxzema Classic Clean Deep Cleansing Moisturizing Face Wash. This retails for about $4 to $5 depending on which bottle you get at the drugstore. You can get it at either Walmart or Target. I picked mine up at Walmart. But this gives you a really deep cleanse. That's why I like to steam my face before. I just noticed that it gets like any blackhead pop-ups or any of those little pop-ups that you get like around your eyebrow area. This just goes in and cancels all that out. I am going to be letting the Noxzema sit on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes just so it can, fully get in my pores and get all that extra dirt that I have in my face. Alright guys, welcome back. Now that we're done passing time, we're going to go ahead and rinse all the Noxzema off of our face and get us ready for the next step, which is going to be my favorite product, one of my favorite products. It is the L'Oreal Sugar Scrub. You can use this on your lips as well. This leaves your face feeling like butter. Like, I promise you, your face will feel so soft, so smooth. You wouldn't want anyone to touch you after that. That's how soft your face will feel. This ranges from about $10 to $13 at any drugstore or Ulta, of course, as well. So you go ahead and scrub this all over your face, all over your lips, and you want to make sure you rinse it immediately after. I don't know why, that's just what the package says. So go ahead and rinse it off immediately after. Alrighty guys, the next thing I'm going to be using is a beaded eye mask. I got this from Marshall's for about $3.99. You can use it hot or cold if you want to use it hot, put it in the microwave in a bowl of water for about 40 seconds, and I leave this on for about 15 minutes or until the coldness goes away. And now I'm going to be starting on the other portion of my skincare routine. First, I'm going to be going in with my Neutrogena Pore Refining Toner. I picked this up from Walmart for about $7. You can also get it from Ulta for $8. It doesn't leave your skin drying at all. It doesn't irritate your skin or leave it red like I've noticed some toners leave my skin. And like I said, it's a pore refining toner. So if you use this before makeup, it will reduce your pores as well. And I go ahead and just rub this all over my face, and it removes any extra dirt or makeup that I have on my face as well. Can't forget your chapstick, Vaseline, whatever you choose to put on, and let the rest of that pore refiner dry. Alright guys, so the next step we're going to be using is my Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Remover. Anytime you have any extra makeup like mascara, eyeliner, this will be perfect to just go wipe that off before you move on to your creams. And I'm going in with my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. I've been using this stuff since high school, guys. It's really inexpensive and I love it. Like I said, high school. I haven't put it down in like a million years. And this is how my face looks with just the moisturizer. You can stop there, or you can go to the serums. I have the Derma-E or the Skin Active Face Oil. The Derma-E was $20, and then the face serum was $3 from Marshall's. And I'm sorry my camera got me out of shot. I guess I went out of the frame. And I'm going in with my Badescu, my lavender spray, spraying this all over my face. And we're done. That's it. That's how I achieve clear, glowy skin. This is something that I do 2-3 times a day. This is something that I live by. So if you like the way I achieve clear, glowy skin, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.